Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about referring to a null object in Python. So let's get started. Let's think about this scenario where we are creating a condition that there is a winner and the winner condition is right now none, and we want to refer it to such a method that if the winner is referring to a null object, then no winner exists. So now let me run this program and show you. As you can see, there's no output showing, which means we are not going into the if condition and we are not getting the successful output. So there's a small difference in Python compared to the other languages. If you want to compare Python object to a null object, you simply need to do is none. Instead of using the null keyword, we will use the none keyword. It's as simple as that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to check that if the winner is none, that means if the winner object is referring to a none data value, then we will simply print on the output window saying that no winner exists. And now if I run this, as you can see, it successfully compiles and we go into the if condition because winner is referring to a none object, and then it prints on the command window saying that no winner exists. That's it from this video where we learned to refer to a null object in Python. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel.